are going to discuss about the disease. What is disease? This is the topic for this discussion. What is disease? That is, what happens exactly when we become sick? This is the question. What happens exactly when we become sick? And sometimes we need to consult doctor. Sometimes we need to consult doctor and take regular medicines in sickness. Because why is it so? Because due to the absence of his we got the disease at that time, we consult doctor. So what is health? Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-beingness, and not merely the absence of any disease. So health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-beingness. Then what is disease? Condition. Disease is a condition of disturbance in physiological or psychological process of body is called a disease. Disturbance of physiological and psychological process of body is called a disease. This is one of the definition of disease. A disease is a condition that affects the normal functioning of an organism, causing a range of some symptoms. There are some symptoms, different symptoms for different diseases. And each disease has its own specific symptoms. So here the disease can affect various aspects of an individual health. Disease can affect various aspects of an individual health. It includes physical health, that is cancer, diabetes, etc. Some mental disturbance, that is a mental health, depression, anxiety. Then conjunctive functions like Alzheimer's disease and that is or Parkinson disease. These are examples of conjunctive functions. So disturbance in the physical, mental or conjunctive properties of the health, that is called as a disease. Then again, there are main types of disease. According to the duration, there are two types of disease. Chronic disease like asthma or acute disease. According to the reason, the diseases having some types like hereditary disease, that is Down syndrome is one of the hereditary disease. Some acquired disease like infectious disease, example common cold or flu, dengue, COVID-19, malaria. These are some infectious diseases caused due to the infection, and some are non-infectious diseases, means like the diabetes, heart disease. These are non-infectious diseases. So these are about some types of diseases. Again, here are some name of the disease, then there what is the causing agent, the pathogen, mode of infection, symptom, and prevention treatment. This is a chart about some types of diseases and what the causes of that particular disease and what is the preventive measures or treatments given to that particular disease. In that first of disease that is called as tuberculosis, TB, which is caused due to the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And the mode of infection is spitting of patient through air or prolonged contact with and sharing of materials of the patient. Symptoms are chronic cough, bloody spitting, then emaciation, difficult in the breathing. These are some symptoms for the tuberculosis. Which are the preventive measures? BCG vaccine is given to that particular patient, isolation of the patient, and regular medicine like DOT given to that particular patient. Then second one disease type of disease is hepatitis. It is called as jaundice also. This hepatitis has some types A, B, C, D, and E type of hepatitis. This causes due to contamination water, sharing of needles, and blood transfusion. Symptoms are anorexia, yellow urine, general weakness, nausea, vomiting, and grey stool. And to avoid of the infection of this hepatitis, we must drink boiled water and proper cleaning of hands should be taken. Third type of disease, that is dysentery. Dysentery, which is caused due to bacteria, virus, Bacillia, Enterovirotica, which causes dysentery. And this is infected due to contaminated food and water. The symptoms are watery stool, pains in abdomen, and should avoid or prevented from the disease by drinking boiled water, proper storage of food, and ORS consumption. Then the next type of disease, that is called as cholera. This caused due to Vibrio cholerae bacteria, and this is infected due to contaminated food and water. And symptoms are vomiting, severe diarrhea, cramps in legs. And prevention is following hygienic practices, some avoiding open place food, drinking boiled water, vaccination against cholera. And here is the last type of disease, typhoid. This caused due to Salmonella typhi type of bacteria, and this spread due to contaminated food and water. And the symptoms of anorexia, headache, rash of abdomen, dysentery, and fever. And we have to avoid that particular drinking. We should drink clean water, and proper disposal of sewage is very important. So this is a brief introduction about some of the type of disease. Thank you.